Horizontal presses. CMASVA horizontal presses are high-quality universal machines designed to meet a variety of metal fabricating applications. CMASVA horizontal bending presses enable any business to perform many jobs with one machine. By simply changing tooling, the user can go from press bending to ram or rotary draw bending, to shearing, to punching, and to forming. CMASVA horizontal bending presses are available in 3 different ranges: normal, super and digital. The normal series. In the normal range, the T22 horizontal bending press is a cost-effective and versatile bending press with 25 tons of bending power. The normal series includes standard features that have made CMASVA horizontal bending presses the machine of choice around the world. A work surface free from obstruction due to common sense engineering that place the industrial-grade hydraulics beneath the work surface. Operators of our bending presses can perform the operation at the optimal location, in front of the machine, for higher production runs with less operator effort. Travelling punch and fixed die system easily allows for the bending, curving or cutting of any type of section. The hand wheel positioners are conveniently located in the front of the machine and allow the operator to precisely set the feed and carriage return depths using highly accurate limit switches. This offers quick setup and adjustments during the operation, saving time and money. The machine can be operated by either foot pedal controls or safety push buttons with a timer to ensure safety. The Super Series. The Super Series is robustly manufactured and designed to work in demanding situations where power, speed and accuracy are crucial. Under severe working conditions, the Super Series performs flawlessly with little or no maintenance. To complement the Super Series, we offer 5 standard models, from 33 to 110 tons power. Like the normal series, the Super Series has the industrial-grade hydraulics underneath the work surface. This provides the operator with an open, unobstructed work surface, allowing the operator freedom to bend in either direction. The side shelves are conveniently located, saving time during tooling changes. We designed our machine to bend away from the operator working station. This means that besides having better functionality, we also have a safer machine to work with. The 44-ton machine, the T40, employs our patented conical press pins, allowing for maximum adherence to the work surface, enabling punch and die and piece to be worked on to be formed as a single unit. In the Super Series, the stroke torque is controlled by means of a hydraulic dump valve. This guarantees accuracy in locating the bending plane and allows the operator to maintain the same plane of bend when repeating. Super presses are therefore suitable both for the construction of prototypes and series production. The dump valve also acts as an overload protection device that protects the punch and die, helping to extend the life of the tooling. The Model T40 and larger comes standard with an automatic pump that has an electronic oil level indicator. The Digital Series. The Digital Series of horizontal bending press differs from the others in that the stroke can be regulated digitally using a computer. Work can therefore be programmed and carried out with the greatest of ease and accuracy. The Digital Series has the same valuable features as the Super Series, but is particularly suited for higher volume jobs that require multiple bends and demand accurate repeatability. The digital controls allow the operator to store up to 25 programs. Each program may contain up to 8 different bending steps, which can be repeated up to 999 times. The control panel has a 45-degree opening, allowing for easy access to the keyboard. The controls allow for 3 different operation modes: manual, semi-automatic and automatic. This flexibility is helpful during initial setup of a new part, as well as prototyping. When necessary, a twin-axis version is available, offering digital control of the Y-axis. The vast range of models with different capacities is built with ISO 9000 standards in mind, ensuring high-quality construction and our attention to detail. Our horizontal bending presses can be tooled to fit thousands of different applications, duplicating the function of other machines like a press brake, punch press, shear, iron worker, ram and rotary draw bender, straightener, and much more, making it an irreplaceable tool in almost any manufacturer's facility.